Here's my review of the 2013 Roush Axleback. I got this a few days ago. There on there, the embossed Roush tip on each one. Here's my license plates for stalkers, and we'll go ahead and fire it up. They sound pretty good. Okay, just installed it. Last time I let him drive my car. They're decent. I'm gonna add an X pipe. Not really loud enough for me. They're really loud at wide open throttle, but the sound kind of deadens. So I had my 2004 Cobra. I had an SLP with an X pipe. That was a lot better. I thought that was really loud and crackly. Not bad. I got them for $3.99, so I'd recommend them. Just I like a little bit louder. I also got the, check these out, the American Muscle. These are 18-inch charcoals. These are on special, so I picked these up too. These are actually, they look all right. I don't think they contrast good enough with the car. I wish I would have got the black ones. I don't know. The sun's in my stupid sun. Oh, you get the gist of how the wheels look. Go right here. There's another clip right there of the wheels. I'll be adding more reviews and whatnot when more mods come in. I'm actually picking up a 2013 Jeep probably tomorrow or the next day, and get a review on that once I get that baby in. Alright, later.